Jatend migao mar jolweny Soipan Tuya owachoni gibiro dhi mbele kod chwalo kony ne familia mar jolweny mosenindo. Kony ni owachoni biro kokalo kuom chudo magaeri, siro som nyithindo mowe kiye kanyakla kod chiwo kony ne midhiero mag paro manyalo mako ngimagi. Jatend jolweny Jamadar Charles Kahariri omedo ni jolweny ma pacho ka tiyo matek e chwalo arita e piny Kenya kod mago malibamba. Jolweny go bende noyango buk makende mar jolweny manyiso historia margi kanyakla kod dhialo jolweny mowito ngimagi e kinde maginie tich.
Katibu wa Wizara ya Ulinzi.
KDF Day is a solemn occasion, and we have seen in the video there, it's a solemn occasion which we celebrate the Kenyan soldier and is intended to ensure that the efforts and sacrifices, particularly those that make the ultimate sacrifice in service of this country, our great nation, shall never be forgotten. The acts of valor by our gallant soldiers may be viewed as a duty by some. Others may consider them as acts of patriotism, but we perceive them as a higher calling to defend and protect our motherland.
As the Ministry of Defense, we are fully committed to ensure that the welfare of both serving KDF personnel and the families of departed servicemen and women remains a core priority. The commitment is demonstrated in a range of support programs, including comprehensive healthcare services, financial empowerment initiatives, and educational benefits. The ministry continues to provide pensions, scholarships for children, and emotional support programs to help navigate their losses for the families.
Jokanyo mag UDA e ward ma Kibiri e kachung'od bura ma Karachuonyo ochako tielo mar ariyo mande